I'm Guy Berryman, member of the band Coldplay and creative director of the fashion label Applied Art Forms. It's definitely a busy time for me because, we've got a new album out and, Coldplay will be going on tour next year, so we're gearing up for that, and that's all very exciting. But there's always time, there's always time to I think if you're passionate about something, you just find a way of making it work. So this is our modular parka system, which comes with several different elements. This is the main shell. This is a liner vest, a full liner coat, which can be combined in different ways to end up with your kind of full system here, depending on how cold it is. You wear it with the different layers. Yeah, we've tried to build as much sustainability as we can into the Coldplay tour. It's something which is very important to us. And when we kind of announced a few years ago that we weren't going to go on tour until it was more sustainable, it was very interesting. We were sort of inundated from different companies from all over the world offering to help us in different ways and make suggestions. And so we've had a lot of time to really pick through all of those ideas and incorporate a lot of them into the upcoming tour. This is a 70-year-old jacket which was made in about 1950 for the Royal Air Force. And this is typical of the archive pieces that we have in our design studio that we're really drawing inspiration from. And for me, in terms of sustainability, I think if you can make something which is going to last 70 years, that's one of the strongest ways of approaching sustainability. When we formed the band in UCL, just down the road from here, I was studying engineering and architecture. And so that kind of product design and manufacturing path was always something I was very interested in. And so I decided a few years ago it was time to re-engage with those early disciplines that I had and combine it with a passion for collecting garments. So I've got quite a large collection of vintage military clothes, Royal Air Force jackets and American Army jackets, and I really like that style of clothing. I think you have to be aware if you're going to start it, it's something that you're going to be locked into mentally 24/7 because there's a lot of noise out there these days, and you've got to just find a way to kind of push through everything.